Hi all, this is Manu. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about 5 date and time functions in Excel. Number 1. Day, month and year. If you want to fetch a day, month or year from a given date, you can use this function. Here I am having a date as January 1st, 2020. For fetching the day, you type equal to day and tab, and inside the bracket you give that date and bracket close, it returns as 1. And if you want to fetch the month, equal to month and bracket you give that cell and it returns the month, and equal to year, give the date cell as a reference and enter, and it returns the year. And number 2, today, hour, minute and second. If you want to display today's date in a cell, then you can use today function. So go to the cell, equal to today, bracket open and bracket close. It will return today's date. And if you want to display both day and time, then type equal to now, then bracket close. It will display the both date and time. You can return the hour using hour function, equal to hour, and inside the bracket you give the time. And you can return the minute using minute function, inside the bracket give the reference cell with time. In the same way, in seconds, equal to second, and inside the bracket give the reference cell, enter. End of month and end of date. To shift a date forward or backward by a number of months, you can use EDATE. To find the EDATE, go to the cell, equal EDATE, give the first date as the start date, comma, the number of month as the second term, close the bracket, enter. If you are seeing a number like this, you have to select the area, right click, format cell, and select the date format. Choose the type of format you want, click OK, you will see the date. You can find the month backward if you give the negative numbers. The function EOMONTH work the same way. The EOMONTH will give you the end date of that particular month. Number 4. Workdays. To figure out the date and workdays, you can use a function workday. For that, go to the cell, equal to, type the function workday and give the start day, comma, and the number of working days. Bracket close. After 20th January 2020, if you add up 6 work days excluding Saturdays and Sunday, it will be 28th January. So let's go to the calendar and check it. Here in the calendar you can see I have given the start date as 20th January. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 28th January is the 6th working day. So like this we can update that. And if you want to find the net working day between two dates, you can use net workday. So for that, equal to, type the function net workdays and give the start date and end date. The net workdays is 7 workday including the 20th January, and as you can see 12th May is a Sunday, so it's not a working day. So you can see the total working day is 6, and similarly you can go backward. And number 5. Weekday and week number. To figure out the day of the week from a date, you can use weekday function. For that, equal to weekday, give the date. So you can see the 19th January is a Sunday, so Sunday is the first day, and for Monday it is the second, and Saturday is the last day, which is the 7th. This function will always return the value between 1 and 7. Similarly, if you want to return the week number in an year, you can use a function weeknum. For that, equal to weeknum and give the date. So you can see all these dates are 4th week of the year 2020. So that's it for today. If you want to learn something new every week, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.